Hey everybody, this is Tammy at All About Living, and I've had a special request to show you guys how to make southern sweet potato side dish. Just easy, goes with anything. I grew up eating sweet potatoes, like I've said in other videos. I mean, that is a southern staple. I mean, we have them all the time, all the way through the year, because they store well, they grow well. They're just an all-around good veggie, okay? But you do get tired of baking them all the time. I mean, baked sweet potato, no, put you some on the stove. Oops, ow, my pan is hot. I got that going ahead of time. You need 3 or 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 or 5 sweet potatoes. It depends on how large your family is. I mean, you know how many potatoes you need. And then for every 4 potatoes, you need about 3 tablespoons of butter, some salt, and some brown sugar. That's it, folks. And this makes the best sweet potatoes ever. Ever. Y'all hear me? Now I have my sweet potatoes. Okay, my pan's good and hot, and I got this pan down low. And we're just going to put that butter in there. Hear that sizzle? I've left that pan long enough for it to sizzle, and that's what I want. And that's what you should want, because if you'll heat that pan up before you put food in it, then you won't have a sticky issue. Okay, my butter's all melted, and I'm going to drop my sweet potatoes in there. There we go. Now, I got 2 boo-boos I didn't see, so we're going to throw those away. Okay, now we're just going to add a little bit of salt, because when you're using sugar, a little bit of salt just makes it sweeter. And we're going to go in here, and we're going to grab us about 1/4 cup of sugar. And this is brown sugar. I don't know if you can see that, but it is brown sugar. All right, we're gonna put the lid on it. And we're gonna let it cook till it's done. It's just that simple. Okay, we're gonna check on these potatoes. It's been about 17 minutes. And when I pierce them, they go right through. That means they're done. Now you can just turn them off, put the lid back on them, set them off the eye, and they'll stay warm till you get ready for the rest of dinner. So just try them, enjoy them. You'll be glad you did.